Hi guys, I was gifted this garage containment system from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. It's made of PVC. It's 7 foot 9 inches by 16 feet long. Looks like it also has a little squeegee there. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my garage. I'll show you why I got it. There's a lot of oil marks and stuff from my old truck, but it also is great for snow or rain when you drive into your garage. If you want to keep that snow and rain from going around your garage, this is what you're going to want to get. So I'll show you what my garage looks like before it, and then after I got it put down, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how I install it. All right, so here's my garage. My old truck does leak oil, so I wanted to get this containment system just to keep the oil from leaking on my concrete. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. All right, this is a good looking mat. It does come with some double-sided tape here to tape it down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I did want to show you this is Velcro, so if you do need to take up the mat and move it, it's just Velcro, so it'll come up easy, and it's just got a sticky backing on each side. All right, I wanted to show you one cool feature is it has like a lip here, right? So if you come in with a rainy car or snowy car, it's going to contain all of that rain and snow right here in the mat, so it doesn't, get in your walkway in your shop or your garage. I wanted to show you the squeegee that it does come with. It's a metal handle squeegee with a rubber tip, so if you need to move water around, you got a little squeegee that comes with it, so that's pretty cool. All right, as you can see, I just pulled in from a rainstorm, and all of that water is going to be contained within this containment system. So if you guys need a containment system for your garage, so your garage doesn't get all wet and snowy after you pull in, go ahead and get this water containment system. It's made out of PVC and looks to be really good quality. The sheeting is really thick. So if you guys need a containment system, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.